Want to cancel a booking on Agoda? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Agoda app, or you can head over to any web browser and go to agoda.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and find the option of My Trips or My Bookings. Tap on that. Now you should be able to find your upcoming and completed reservations here. Locate the booking you want to cancel. You should see a cancel button. Tap it to proceed. If you prefer, you can also go through Agoda's help center for guidance. For that, head over back to the home screen, tap on the three lines, scroll down and find the option of help center. Select that. Now you want to scroll down and contact support or use the messaging feature for real-time assistance. Always check your confirmation email and the help center to understand any fees or penalties associated with cancellation. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.